I swear to God, it feels as though I have waited my entire crypto lifetime for this moment, and this moment's almost here. Of course, we're talking about the Crowdloan, where we can lock up our Kusama tokens and get car tokens, which are very valuable in the ecosystem. These car tokens has a very, very high possibility of becoming a parachain. So, in this video, I'm going to show you guys who've been waiting almost a year, just like myself, 10 months to be precise, on how you could get 5% more car tokens. So without further ado, let's go back that coin. Woo! It's the crypto lifestyle, baby. Welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Francis, and on this channel we emphasize the importance of crypto mass adoption, decentralization, and other Bitcoin related stuff that could bank us coin. So if you want to learn more, do that by subscribing and hit the bell notification button so you don't miss anything. Well, ladies and gentlemen, you probably could hear some extra excitement in the tone of my voice, and for good reason. Look, if you're not excited, you need to go check out yourself at some sort of hospital or walk-in clinic, check your vital signs, because this is a big deal. But before I show you guys how you could actually get 5% more car tokens, my link is actually in the description box and the comment section below. I need to show you guys, for those who don't know, but I know most of you already know this, the basics of what car is, okay guys? So let's get right to it, okay? So this is the very important pieces of information you need to know before we get to the actual process. So it says right here in bold, get your KSM ready to bond. As I told you guys in a video I did yesterday for my car, get your Kusamas ready because the time's now. Guys, Kusamas, get them ready, okay? And you know, like what I tell people, the markets don't wait for nobody. And guess what? Karura isn't going to wait for anybody either, okay? So let's come to this next point here. For every one Kusama that you contribute, a minimum of 12 car will be rewarded. That's a minimum. You might be able to get more. So for every one Kusama that you bond or you put into the Crowdloan for extended period of time, you're going to get at least 12 car tokens, okay guys? Now look, I've actually participated in Definity 4 years ago, and it was essentially almost the same, a little bit different, but those tokens came out to be very valuable. They're about $300 a pop right now, and I think I got like over 1,000, something like that. I think it's a little bit more. So I have bigger hopes for this Crowdloan. I want to get into all of that. Contributed KSM will be returned at the end of the Karura Pararchain lease. So essentially, if you're going to lock it up like myself for about a year, I'm thinking about maybe a little bit more, but definitely at least 1 year, you're actually going to get back your Kusamas. So in a sense, it's like, it's really a loan, right? Very similar to what we did with the Plasma Network in, I don't know, that was about 7 months ago as well, how we already got back our Ethereum and we own the PLM tokens. This is the exact same procedure, okay? So let's actually come down over here and read a brief overview of what it is. So Karura is the decentralized financial hub of Kusama, a scalable multi-chain network for radical innovation and early-stage Polkadot deployments. Karura serves as the sister network to Acala and offers a suite of financial primitives, including a trustless staking derivative, liquid KSM, LKSM, a multi-collateralized stablecoin backed by cross-chain assets, and a AMM DEX, automated market maker, okay guys? So this is a big deal. This is going to be like the financial hub of Polkadot. You know, as you guys know, Acala has, you know, all kinds of hype, and so does Karura. So with all of that being said, you guys are pretty much up to date on what it is. Let's get into the actual procedure here now. So as I mentioned earlier, I do have my link in the comment section and in the description box. So when you click the link, it's going to actually bring you to a page that looks like this, okay? And as you scroll down over here, it's going to tell you how many people are registered, but that's not really important for you. Right here, you need to plug in your email address, okay guys? Now look, when you are contributing your KSMs, it must be stored in a Polkadot.js plugin wallet like the one you see right here, okay? So if you don't have that already, this button says connect Polkadot.js extension. Get Polkadot.js extension. You could come over to this link, and I'm going to show you guys how to do that momentarily. But if you kind of swipe this toggle, it's going to say, hey, enter your KSM address. Now, it's very important to note, the KSM address that you submit over here must be from the Polkadot.js plugin wallet or from a Polka wallet. In this tutorial example, we're going to be showing you how to use it from your Polkadot GS plugin wallet. Okay, guys. So let me just come back over there, and I'm actually going to, but again, if you already have a KSM Kusama address in your Polkadot.js wallet, I highly recommend you plug that in over here, put in your email address, and then click notify me. And then when it's time to actually submit your KSMs, they're going to give us another email, and I most certainly would upload another video showing you guys how to actually do that as well when the time comes available. Okay, so let us go like this. Let's pretend that how you did not have a Polkadot.js wallet. Once you click this link, it's going to go like this, and you're going to see a page like this, okay? Now, depending on the browser that you use, that might be Chrome, that might be Firefox. And by the way, before I move on with this, if you already have your Polkadot.js wallet, you could just fast forward later on to the video to when we get to that part. So, you know, your time isn't wasted. So let's just say I'm going to use download for Firefox. I click that. Once I click that, this page is going to populate, and you guys should know this by now, what to do, right? So we're going to click add to Firefox. We're going to click add over there, and I'm going to click OK. Now, after you just confirm that, your plugin wallet should show very similar to how mine show right now in Chrome. And it's this orange sort of like white P for Polkadot, okay? Once that's there, you need to click that, then go to add account. Once you click add account, your seed phrase would populate. Of course, you guys should already know this. You must write down the seed phrase on a piece of paper. If you ever lost, I don't know, something happened to your computer, or one day you wake up and that Polkadot plugin wallet isn't there, you could always retrieve it with your seed phrase. Once you have that now, you need to head on over to this website, polkadot.js.org, okay? And that's where you have your Polkadot.js wallet over here, the plugin wallet, that communicates with this website. Very similar to how Firefox plugin wallet communicates with Uniswap, okay? So, as you can see right here, I'm actually in the Sora network portal over here. So, this is a really cool part of this whole entire ecosystem, right? This is my wallets I've already saved. So right here in this drop-down menu, you want to click this, and we need to get to Kusama. So that's going to be the first tab over here that says live, relay, and parachains. This is just a list of the actual live networks already. We got Plasm, that's our other firstborn baby, and Karura is going to be our secondborn baby, okay? So let's come over here, click the live, relay, and parachains, and then we're going to choose Kusama. I chose hosted by Parity. I don't know what's the difference, but that's what I went with. And then from there, we're going to come up here and click switch. And that should kind of teleport us to another network, which is pretty cool. And that's the interoperable sort of feature. That's part of it, right? Okay, guys, cool. So as you can see, I've already have my Kusamas locked and loaded, ready to contribute to this Crowdloan. Super excited for that. Now, how do you actually get this address? Again, you come right here, and then you're going to click add account, okay? And again, this is not my seed phrase. This is just for the seed phrase I would make if I was going to make one right now. Again, same procedure. You want to store this on a piece of paper offline, not even on USB, not even on your computer. Be super safe, because you got to treat this as if this is going to be millions of dollars, which it could potentially be. Who knows, right? So safely save this. Then you click this checkbox saying, I have saved my seed safely, and then go to the next page, so on and so forth. And then from there now, all you need to do is, you're going to see this populate right here, like another address comes up. And what you should do from there is, you click this, that's going to copy it, or you could click any one of these ones. But if it's your first time, you should only have one. Once you click that, I want you guys to come over to this website over here. I would leave this in the description box and in the comment section. It's acala-testnet.subscan.io. You want to just confirm that your address is legit. So let me go like this. I'm gonna go and there it is. Once you see this arrow pointing to that address, that's when you know you are legit and you got the right, that is indeed a Kusama address, okay? Now, from there, what you need to do now is, you need to come back to that page where it sent you to this link. And again, I would just suggest you manually put it in. So, because KSM address you just generated in the Polkadot portal, you want to copy and paste that here, put in your email, leave the link over here, which is my link. It's going to give you 5% more cars, myself 5% more cars, and then you want to click the notify me button, and that should be the last step there, or there might be one more step. I don't know. I've already done it. I don't got to go through this procedure. And then from there, we need to wait for the next email update for them, because as they say right here, registration is open. The Crowdloan will be announced suddenly with little notice, so be sure to register for the launch alerts. All right, guys, and that's essentially what you're doing over here. This is you registering yourself, pretty much whitelisting yourself that you want in on this action. And let me tell you something right now. You can't be sleeping on these high potential parachain tokens. So you know what? Until my next video showing you guys how to actually submit your Kusama tokens to get car tokens, you're on your own, man. Later.